I'm going to show you 3 methods you can use to permanently remove Copilot or Windows AI from your Windows PC. Starting with the first method, we're going to do this one in the Group Policy Editor. If you're using the Home Edition of Windows, you might not be able to do this first method as you will need to access the group policy. But don't worry, the next 2 methods are useful for other versions of Windows 11. Now in your search bar, type gpedit. This should reveal your group policy. Click on that. In the local group policy editor, go down here to user configuration, then administrative templates, expand it, then go down to Windows components, expand it, and down here, you want to locate Windows AI. Select Windows AI, and on the right side, you have all these options. Locate, remove Microsoft Copilot app. Double click on that. We have 3 options: not configured, enabled, and disabled. Now to remove the Microsoft Copilot app, choose enabled, then click apply. Click OK. Then once you're done with that, go ahead and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you should notice that the Copilot is not there anymore. In case you still have traces of the Copilot, you can easily go to your installed apps and uninstall it from there. Method 2. Go down to your search bar. Now you want to type registry and open your registry editor. Choose yes if you get any notification. Now first go on to HK current user, expand it. Now software, expand it. Go down to policies, expand it. Then Microsoft, and then Windows, expand Windows. So under this Windows, normally you should see a folder named Windows AI. In case you don't have this folder, don't worry. We're going to create a folder. Highlight on Windows, right click on it, go on to new and choose key. Now name it Windows AI. Exactly the way it is. Press enter. Now go on to the right side here. On this empty space, right click on here, go on to new. On the right side, go down here, then choose the word 32-bit value. Select that. Now type remove Microsoft Copilot app. If you notice, all the words begin with capital letter. Press enter. Now double click on it. Now we're going to give it a value of 1. Under value data, change it to 1. Click OK. Close the registry editor, then restart your PC. After restart, you should notice that the Copilot is not there anymore. Method 3. Right click on this Windows icon, choose Terminal Admin. Click on that. Choose yes when you get that notification. Then you're going to type in the script. I will leave the script in the description. Simply copy and paste the script, then press enter. Close the Windows PowerShell. Restart your computer. After doing all these methods or one of the methods, you would notice that you've just removed a huge chunk of bloats from your Windows PC. If you go to the installed apps, type Copilot. We couldn't find anything to show here. That shows that we've successfully removed the Copilot from this computer. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel as I will continue to post informative videos like this in the near future. See you on the next one.